Welcome to PC Marine Shipping, a place where maritime dreams take shape. Before we begin explaining forms, interviews, or admissions, let's take you to where it all begins, at the main gate of our campus. As you arrive, a senior staff member welcomes you and your family, answers your questions, and shares a brief overview of the process. We believe in personal connection, and your journey starts with clarity, trust, and respect. You're not just another student. You're joining a disciplined and supportive environment. Moving inside, you'll meet our security guard, standing at attention, maintaining order and guiding you with care. As the visuals take you past the gate and toward the main office, you'll feel the sense of structure and readiness. You climb the stairs, reach the examination hall, and see where futures begin to form. This is just the beginning. And in the next part, we'll take you through the step-by-step selection process at PC Marine. After a short glimpse of the examination hall, a staff member guides the candidates to the medical testing room. This is one of the most important steps in the selection process. Every candidate must undergo a proper fitness check to qualify for maritime training. As we move into the medical section, you'll see a clean, organized room, equipped with essential instruments and guided by professional staff. Here, you're not rushed, you're respected. The environment is calm, the instructions are clear, and everything follows DG Shipping medical standards. A senior, experienced doctor greets the candidates, asks them to relax, and explains each step of the medical process. This is not just a formality, it's a responsibility we take seriously. The doctor checks your height, your weight, your posture, and ensures your body structure is suitable for the physical demands of maritime life. Next, your vision is tested carefully, both distance and color vision. Candidates with minor issues are guided for corrective steps, but every detail is checked sincerely. Then comes the blood pressure check, followed by a quick blood sample collection. We also assess oxygen levels using a digital pulse oximeter. After that, the doctor checks your lungs, asking you to take a deep breath to ensure your breathing strength and lung capacity are fit for duty. All these tests are done with care, precision, and full hygiene. The doctor also observes your energy levels, your awareness, and your responses, because fitness isn't just physical, it's also mental preparedness. If a candidate has any discomfort or medical history, they are welcome to speak openly. Our staff is supportive and makes sure every student is treated with patience and professionalism. Once all tests are done, the doctor signs the medical fitness form. This report is essential, and only medically fit candidates move to the next step of the process. From here, the journey becomes even more real, because when you pass this test, you're one step closer to life at sea. The medical check is not to eliminate, but to prepare you. It ensures that your body, your mind, and your spirit are all ready to take on the discipline, the challenge, and the pride of becoming a seafarer. After completing the medical process, the staff member guides the candidate toward the reception area. This is where administrative coordination begins. The receptionist welcomes the candidate and respectfully contacts the head of department to take permission for the next important step, the personal interview. At PC Marine, this interview is not just a routine interaction, it plays a key role in shaping the student's training journey. The head of department is a highly respected figure. Not only is he the academic lead, but he is also an ex-serviceman, with decades of real experience working in the Merchant Navy. With his calm presence and sharp observation, he brings deep insight into every interaction. Once permission is granted, the candidate is guided to the interview room. This interview is conducted in a focused, respectful manner. The host reviews the candidate's academic background, asks about their schooling, subjects, and overall interest in marine life. He observes how the student communicates. After the interview is completed, the candidate is guided to the admin office. This is the heart of documentation and enrollment. Here, the student meets a key person, an ex-mariner with real experience at sea. He is not just part of our core team, but also a mentor and subject teacher. He has sailed the oceans, trained cadets, and now guides the next generation. He speaks to the candidate with warmth, building confidence about the journey ahead. This is not just a formal meeting, it marks the beginning of a support system. The mentor explains how the training works, what is expected, and how to carry oneself at PC Marine. The candidate can ask any question about the course, hostel, or placements. Every doubt is answered clearly. The environment is open, respectful, and supportive. At this moment, the mentor is not just a teacher, he becomes a guide and motivator. He also speaks with the parents, reassuring them about safety and education. This builds trust and gives families peace of mind. Once this interaction ends, the enrollment process begins. Forms are checked, documents are signed, and the student officially becomes part of PC Marine. They receive their ID, a welcome kit, and a short briefing on the schedule ahead. After this, the student is guided to the hostel. This is where they will stay during training. We understand they've traveled far and may be tired, so rest and comfort are ensured first. Rooms are clean, organized, and disciplined. Basic facilities are provided, and students are briefed on the routine, meal times, uniform policy, and hostel rules are explained. Everything prepares them for disciplined life. After resting and settling in, students complete final paperwork and then move to the training ground. This is where real transformation begins. Here they start basic drills, learn commands, stand in formation, and follow instructions with focus. It's their first taste of discipline, teamwork, and physical strength. Training is not just about toughness, it's about unity and sharpness. From here, the journey is not just selection, it's about growth and excellence. Because at PC Marine, we don't just enroll students, we prepare them for the ocean ahead. Thank you for watching. We look forward to welcoming you aboard. Your journey begins here at PC Marine Shipping, where discipline, growth, and opportunity await.